Welcome, welcome, welcome. I, Kalpesh Daji, Delta Lifestyle Awakener, welcomes you in the first day of version third of 7-day communication power challenge. Yes, it's I heartily congratulate you that we are in third version of this powerful communication challenge. So I am feeling very much excited. And be honestly, I tell you that day by day, that communication power makes me feel wonderful and making others transform in a faster way. So it's my privilege to help you out, serve you in this, they are giving this opportunity to master your soft skills, your communication power, and build your legacy through building multiple stream of income, multiple building network, building community, and being a leader who inspire, who become inspiring. His word inspires. So that kind of personality you become. And whatever the problems you are facing, you have come out from that problem. Wherever you're stuck, you come out from that problems. And the challenges becomes a game for you. And challenges become the smaller one. So thanks for connecting and let's begin the journey. Day first of version 3 of 7-day communication power challenge. Yes, welcomes you. I hope you are able to see my the screens. So let's start the journey. Yes, welcome. I, Kalpesh Darji, Delta Lifestyle Awakener welcomes you in the 7-day communication power challenge. This is the one day. So we are giving you the Speak Up, Stand Up 7-day communication power challenge. So the transforms from overlooked into influential, master the communication skills that unlock career growth and business success and lasting leadership. So these are the mission. And now this is the one day we are discovering our baseline. So what is the baseline? Yani assess your current communication style, identifying growth opportunities. So what are the current communications you are facing that we study? So let's see one by one. Poor communication skill. This is the basic challenges someone is facing. Wait. Poor communications, poor communications, what it affects: weakness in articulation, active listening, non-verbal cues, and clarity leads to misunderstanding and negativity impacts team collaborations and leadership impressions. So this is what is poor communication. Lack of constructive feedback, it's also a challenge is that someone is facing. Without regular and clear feedback, professionals remain unaware of their improvement areas, resulting in skill stagnations and low motivations. So these are the challenges due to lack of constructive feedback. There is no constructive feedback, so there is professionals remain unaware of the what are the opportunities they are facing. Due to that they are not getting the opportunities. Inconsistent and irregular communications, so communications that are sporadic or unclear creates confusion and mistrust, diminishing the effectiveness of teams and managers. So, it hinders our effectiveness. So the inconsistent, irregular communication, when you are not consistently and regularly you are communicating, it will creates confusion and mistrust, and diminishes the effectiveness of team and your managers and with managers. So these are the challenges. Lack of transparent and open dialogue. So there is a no or lack of, there is a lack of open, there is a no dialogue, there is no openness. Why? Hierarchical structures, fear of criticism, or lack of psychological safety prevents employee from voicing concerns, ideas, and aspirations, limiting career growth. Yes. So there is a lack of transparent and open dialogue. People are not doing open dialogues. Why? Because they have a fear of criticism, lack of psychological safety prevents employee from voicing concerns, ideas, and aspirations, limiting career growth. So this hinders our growth due to not having an open dialogue because there is a fear. And there is when there is a fear, you can't grow in your life. So this is a challenge. Cultural and language barriers. So these are also a challenge this we are facing. The multicultural teams face challenges due to different language proficiencies, non-verbal expressions, and cultural expectations, leading to misinterpretations and exclusion. So, misinterpretation due to this is the problem. This is the more challenges and going to face due to the cultural and language barriers. So, this is the different types of culture, different types of people with non-verbal expressions and that cultural expectations. This leads to misinterpretations. So this is also a challenge, communication challenge. Insufficient soft skills and emotional intelligence. It's very challenges day by day in inefficient soft skills and emotional intelligence. The inability to manage emotions, emphasize or navigate difficult conversations inhibits leadership and networking for the stalling career moment. So insufficient, what is due to not having a soft skill and no emotional intelligence. What happens? Inability to manage emotions and emphasize or navigate difficult conversations inhibits leadership and networking. Yes, you can't lead yourself and you lead others, and you can't network with the people due to not having a soft skills and emotional intelligence. This is what I was suffering from. And due to that, that's a lot of time I had wasted in my career. Approximately 10 years I had without not having a soft skills and emotional intelligence, which leads to slow growth, not building my network, not building able to my communicate, not build my community. S- So these were the challenges that I was facing. So insufficient soft skills and emotional intelligence is must for better leadership and networking, which make you grow in your life. Lack of motivation and engagement. Yes, certain peoples are they don't have any motivations in that, and there is no engagement. So disengaged professionals communicates less, do not share updates and avoid discussions, which impacts visibility and perceived value in organization. So these are the people, they speaks very less, and due to there is no participation and no engagement, they don't create value in their organization where they are working because there is no internal motivations. When you speak less, you can't get the solutions, and not getting that solutions will not inspire you. So start engaging with the people because every people has a certain quality. So we have to engage with the professionals, and more talk we have to do, and more we talk, more we get, more we share, more we get. This is Balkan movement for me. So to value, you create their value, and your visibility impacts your visibility will impact others, and you impact yourselves, and it help you in a growth journey. So lack of motivation and engagement is also a challenge. Then avoidance of difficult conversation. Yeah, certain peoples they avoid due to many professionals dodge conflict resolution, feedback loops, or negotiations for their needs, which stiff, stifles assertiveness and results in unmet goals. These are the challenges. Avoiding of difficult conversations. So people are avoiding difficult conversations. And number nine, resistance to change. Most of the people are resist to change. Let's see. So, reluctance to adopt new communication tools, method, or feedback processes creates further isolations and slow adaptations to workplace trends. So, due to this resistance of change, what happens makes people isolation. It's pull you out in isolation position. So start, don't resist yourself, accept the changes, and that change will new methods you have to adopt, new communication tool you have to adopt, and which help you engage with more and more peoples, and then you will not be isolated, and you adaptation and slow adaptation. If you are not you are resistance to change, there is slow adaptation, and there is a slow adaptation, there is a slow growth. So we have to change this. This also a challenge someone is facing, resistance to change. This also it makes an habit, so we have to check it. And what is inadequate training and development? This also a challenge is someone is facing lack of opportunities to learn and practice communication skills means professional struggles to keep up with evolving workplace expectations. So some of the people don't get any training due to not having a proper training or not getting an environment that communication speak skills are not flourishing, and due to that their working environment, the space they are working, their requirement, their not expectation, they are not cope up with the expectations, which leads to slow down in their growth journey. 11th, technological issues. Yes, this is also outdated or unreliable communication tools cause frustration, erratic connectivity, and information loss. Erratic connectivity and information loss. So, outdated and unreliable communication tools cause frustration, erratic connectivity, and information loss. So, technology, we have to adopt the technology. Today's technology, we have to change ourselves. So, these are the technological issues or challenges many of you are facing. And time constraints. Time is there is a ample time is given by I will talk to you about there is a ample time given by all of us. All of us have a ample time. But how we manage our time. So we are all busy with a lot of things. But that the priority, we have to set our priority, we have to set our importance, and there is a concept, there is a yesterday I learned that there is with less do more. With less do more. This one concept it's very important because when you with the less time, when you do more things within a less time, you get a more time, isn't it? Time we have, but we have to manage, multiply our time, effective use of time, manage our time, and multiply our time. This is a very much of this is a time constraint. This is also a time certain people are facing, and because of that, there is a poor communications. They are not able to overloaded schedules and competing priorities reduce the chance for meaningful conversation. Yes, they are not doing a meaningful communications and deep feedback hampering relationship building and progress. So this is a very important point that if you are facing these challenges, so this leads to a poor communication. So overloaded schedules and competing opinions reduce the chances for meaningful conversation and deep feedback, hampering relationships and building and progress. So these are the what are the current challenges that most of the people are facing. So in the day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we step by step will learn how to overcome from these challenges and with the solutions help you out to master the communications. So if you are not connected, please connect me. There is a link given below in a comment section where you connect with me in my VIP WhatsApp community group where I will give you Whatever challenges you are facing in your communication skill, soft skills, I will help you out to overcome that challenges. So thanks for watching, thanks for connecting, and be connected, and be take your time, manage your uh, time to master your skill, because your skill is going to make your future, and you go is make you out come out from your from stuckness to growth journey. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for connecting.